Hello and welcome to English on the Bird. Então, pessoal, sejam todos bem-vindos ao canal English on the Bird. Hoje nós iremos estudar uma parte importantíssima do verbo to be no Simple Past. Então, o verbo to be é um verbo irregular. De forma bem simples, isso significa que no passado, Simple Past, ele tem uma forma própria, ou melhor, ele tem duas formas: was, were. Cada uma dessas formas tem o pronome sujeito certo para ser utilizado. Então, vamos fazer primeiro a análise da conjugação para as três formas: afirmativa, negativa e interrogativa. Lembrem-se, muitas fontes que ensinam inglês pedem que as pessoas pensem em inglês, mas é impossível pensar naquilo que ainda não se viu ou não tem noção, ok? Então, o que eu quero dizer a vocês é que, quando estiver estudando inglês, pensem na situação, mas primeiro conjugue a frase e pense na frase inteira. Após fazer isso, pense nas situações em que essa frase está envolvida, ok? Aqui no nosso exemplo, nós vamos ver três tipos de frases, da mesma forma que nós começamos a estudar o nosso português. É o mesmo processo, muito similar de quando nós éramos crianças, ok? Vamos ver as três formas: affirmative, negative, interrogative. Ou melhor, affirmative for, negative for, and interrogative for. Lembrando que nós vamos ver o passado do verbo to be. Mesmo que nós não devemos pensar em tradução, vamos lembrar agora que to be significa ser ou estar. Vamos conjugar. I was. I was. You were. You were. He was. He was. She was. She was. It was. It was. We were. We were. You were. You were. They were. They were. Depois, vocês repitam pelo menos 3 vezes. Negative. I was not. I was not. You were not. You were not. He was not. He was not. She was not. She was not. It was not. It was not. We were not. We were not. You were not. You were not. They were not. They were not. Interrogative form. Was I? Was I? Were you? Were you? Was he? Was he? Was she? Was she? Was it? Was it? Were we? Were we? Were you? Were you? Were they? Were they? Observaram? O inglês não é para ser explicado e explanado. Você vai aprender com o tempo e tudo vai ficando automático na sua cabeça. As línguas não são racionais, como a matemática ou qualquer outra disciplina. Não pense em inglês e estudar inglês se preocupando. O inglês é para ser vivido. Então não existe método miraculoso. A sua prática levará você a falar inglês da mesma forma que você aprendeu sua língua materna. Let's practice. Let's practice. Let's practice. Yesterday, Karen and Jen were playing tennis. Yesterday, Karen and Jen were playing tennis. Vamos repetir. Yesterday, Karen and Jen were playing tennis. Ontem, Karen e Jen estavam jogando tênis. Vamos ver a negativa dessa frase. Yesterday, Karen and Jen were not playing tennis. Yesterday, Karen and Jen were not playing tennis. Agora vamos ver a forma interrogativa dessa frase. Yesterday, where Karen and Jen played tennis. Yesterday, where Karen and Jen played tennis. Yesterday, where Karen and Jen played tennis. Yesterday morning, I was not at home. Yesterday morning, I was not at home. Yesterday morning, I was not at home. Na manhã de ontem, eu não estava em casa. Vamos transformar essa frase para a afirmativa. Yesterday morning, I was at home. Yesterday morning, I was at home. Yesterday morning, I was at home. Agora, vamos falar essa mesma frase de forma interrogativa. Yesterday morning, was I at home? Yesterday morning, was I at home? Yesterday morning, was I at home? Was he said? Was he said? Was he said? Was he said? Vejam que essa frase está na forma interrogativa. Ele estava triste? Agora, vamos falar essa mesma frase na forma afirmativa. He was sad. He was sad. He was sad. Agora, vamos falar essa mesma frase na forma negativa. He was not sad. He was not sad. He was not sad. She was here 2 hours ago. 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 Ela estava aqui 2 horas atrás. Vamos falar essa frase na forma negativa. She was not here 2 hours ago. She was not here 2 hours ago. She was not here 2 hours ago. Agora vamos falar essa mesma frase na forma interrogativa. Was she here 2 hours ago? Was she here 2 hours ago? Was she here 2 hours ago? Ayrton Senna was very fast. Ayrton Senna was very fast. Ayrton Senna era muito rápido. Vamos falar essa frase na forma negativa. Ayrton Senna was not very fast. Agora vamos falar a mesma frase na forma interrogativa. Was Ayrton Senna very fast? Was Ayrton Senna very fast? The horse was eating last night. The horse was eating last night. O cavalo estava comendo noite passada. Vamos falar essa frase na forma negativa. The horse was not eating last night. The horse was not eating last night. The horse was not eating last night. Agora, vamos falar a mesma frase na forma interrogativa. Was the horse eating last night? Was the horse eating last night? We were happy. We were happy. Nós éramos felizes. Na forma negativa. We were not happy. We were not happy. Agora, vamos falar ela também na forma interrogativa. Were we happy? Were we happy? You were wrong. You were wrong. Vocês estavam errados. Agora, vamos falar essa mesma frase na forma negativa. You were not wrong. You were not wrong. Agora, vamos falar a mesma frase na forma interrogativa. Were you wrong? Were you wrong? We were at the party yesterday. We were at the party yesterday. We were at the party yesterday. Eles estavam na festa ontem. Agora vamos falar a mesma frase na forma negativa. We were not at the party yesterday. We were not at the party yesterday. We were not at the party yesterday. Agora vamos utilizá-la na forma interrogativa. Were they at the party yesterday? Were they at the party yesterday? Were they at the party yesterday? Practice every day and never give up.